Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday morning, the Monday before Thanksgiving. Have you got your shopping done yet? Robin and I finished our shopping yesterday. Just a few items. I did miss a thing or two. Whipped cream for the apple crisp. I'll get that on Wednesday when I go pick up my fresh loaf of sourdough bread for dinner on Thursday. So I have a few items, but I'll be able to get in and out of the store pretty quick. I won't have to deal with shouldn't have to deal with the crowds themselves. And plus, I go early in the morning, so yeah. So this is what I have on store for today. Today we are doing bacon, shoots, and tomato. Instead of lettuce, we're doing pea shoots that are from Danny Greens. Thank you, Danny. Mayo, Miracle Whip. Yes, I know a lot of people don't like Miracle Whip. I do. Get over it. Of course, there's the bread. And over here on my prep table is a loaf of bread that I'm going to be breaking up for my stuffing so it gets nice and stale. So when I put it together Wednesday, everything together on Wednesday, it'll be nice and stale. Toaster, of course, for dinner. And the way I bake bacon is with this pan and rack. That way all the grease drops to the bottom. And we're going to come back over here. These are all the recipes for this week. There's the soup, the apple crisp, the cream corn casserole, my butternut squash smash. I'm putting together a blend here, 7 colors grill seasoning, of course, mashed potato string, and stuffing. It's recipe, but it's just a guideline for me so I don't forget anything. Gravy, I'm doing a new style, not a new style, but a new method for gravy. I'm going to try this year. Of course, the herb and citrus roasted turkey, that again is just a guideline. I'm using it, as a guideline so I don't forget anything. I'll be building a compound butter, blah, blah, blah. It's going to be fun. There's last night's chili mac, and these are the menus for the week. So that's what I've got going on today. Hope you have a great Monday, and eat great food and have fun cooking.